Do you want this effect in the CapCut PC? Watch this video till the very end. It's a very short video. I'm gonna show you how you can reverse your video in CapCut. It's super simple. So yeah, let's jump right in the video. And if you're interested in CapCut PC, make sure you subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. I really love creating CapCut tutorials, and I think this editing software is pretty good. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. And now to create or to reverse your video in CapCut PC, what you have to do is to select your video first, because if you have, let's say, more videos, then you need to specify for CapCut which video you want to reverse. I'm gonna reverse this video, which is already reversed, but I'm just gonna go control, or I just gonna re-add this video. And now just go to this icon that you see here, this icon, and click on now on this icon while you have selected this video that you want to reverse. Just click on this icon here, and now reverse completed. As you can see, first time I already reversed this video. That's why if you are wondering why it was so quick, just click here and reversed automatically, because I already reversed this video, so I'm pretty sure that's the reason why it was really fast, because I know the first time I reversed took around 1 minute or a couple of seconds or 30 seconds. I'm not really sure, but around a minute. So don't worry, just wait for this pop-up to wait for the reverse to complete. I think it will look like this. As you can see, reverse clip, that's what you should see. Reversing clip. And yeah, it should work just fine. So I really hope, guys, this video helped you. I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day, and take care.